Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while since I posted a video, but I've been busy with other jobs, small jobs that I couldn't record on. But this is the first day on the job. I gotta put Hardie plank siding over this one. Change out the windows all the way around the house. Set up the scaffolds, I set up everything. Got the sawhorses here. The Makita saw, siding gun. That is 12-foot Hardie plank siding. I gotta put up 230 planks. But right now, I'm waiting on someone to deliver a ladder, a 20-foot ladder, because I can't put scaffolds right here because I don't have them. So I'm just gonna work the ladder on this side, which should be fine, I guess. I mean, I have no choice, so. But right now I gotta run my starter piece, so I gotta grab one plank, cut it into inch pieces. I'm thinking about 2 of them, maybe 3. I'm gonna cut 3-inch pieces out of one plank. That's gonna be my starter. But yeah, it's a late start. It's now 11 o'clock, but it usually happens whenever it's the first day on the job. But yep. This one, I'm only gonna go halfway underneath the windows today because I don't have the windows. So that's what I gotta do for today. I figured I'd come, get half of the siding up here. I don't have to take off the existing board there. They just want it over it, so I'm gonna put the house wrap on there. I got the little one, so that way I can put one row as I go, instead of putting the 8-foot row, because it's only me working, so I gotta do what I gotta do. So far, I only got this up. I already did my starters, but so far I'm right here. Today, the only thing I'm gonna do today is just finish all the way to here. Up to the paper. Tomorrow, finish up to the windows. Wednesday, I gotta do the windows because I need help with that one. Yep. Well, that's it. I'm gonna just stop today. I tried to put this last starter piece, that one, but standing on here, but it's just too heavy. I gotta make sure it's level. I got those right there because I was sitting on the scaffold, but this one's different. But if you're wondering how I'm hanging the rest of them, once I start this piece right here, then I get these, and then I hang this one on the siding, and then the other siding overlaps right here, and the weight drops it like that. And then when I'm done nailing it, I just press this down, and then it falls inside here. But this is all I'm gonna do today. It's a lot of work to do by yourself, so it's already 4 o'clock. I didn't get that much done today like the way I wanted to, but at least I got some. But I'm gonna clean up, put my ladder up, put everything up, and then go home and get some rest to figure out how I'm gonna do the rest of it. See y'all tomorrow.